What's up? It is Tuesday, I think it's Tuesday. Today we have done papamoa beach, by the way. Look at that. Surf is pumping. What a day we've had today. Been at the mount, blew the diff outside Hayden's house, and thank God Hayden had a spare diff just outside his car from the Mr. Morph itself, so we've got a piece of treasure in the old van now. It doesn't whine anymore, which is pretty amazing. So we had to do that on the side of the road, which was really cool. About to pick up my daughter, and then we're about to head off to the king, the king himself, Andy Duffins, which for me is going to be awesome because that guy's just an absolute champ. So that's what we're up to, and then we're off to Caddy for about 6 o'clock, meeting some people up there. So that's what we're up to the rest of the week, day. If you want to catch up with us, Caddy at 6 at one of the fish shops there. We're going to go see Andy first.
We're going to see Andy.
Yep, which is going to be awesome. Nah, today, tonight, too soon. So yeah, I can't wait to see that dude because I'll just be in his godlike presence. But that's what we're up to. So it's been busy. So 3,200 Ks we've done, and the van blew the diff at 3,200. So not bad for a looker. It was because the brakes, I think, have been holding on just a tiny little bit the whole time, and putting heaps of pressure on that thing, on the crown wheel, stripped and both bare. But here we go, and we're going to the king's house now, which is going to be cool. It's a choice. I'll keep you posted when I can.